Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, presenting to you this tutorial, I'm Tutor Patrick Divine, that's my name. Okay, so today I want to teach you on how to solve problems under trigonometry when you are given a triangle that has three sides and without an angle. Okay, so you'll be given three sides, alright, and you'll be told to find an angle. Okay, so now how do you go about it? How do you find the angle? Alright, so this is what we are going to look at under trigonometry. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more. Alright, so if you need tuitions, you can also contact me on this line 0975334778 plus 260, okay, plus 260975334778. That is my line. You can WhatsApp me or contact me a direct call. All right, so this is the question, and these questions come, okay, they carry a lot of marks, so you need to understand everything. Make sure that you watch the full video for more understanding, for getting the concept. All right, so let's go. So now you are given to find angle BAC. So what angle are they talking about? They are talking about the angle here, which is between these two letters, which is A, and this is the angle here. Angle what? Angle A. This is the angle that you are told to find. So how do you find that angle? How do you find that angle? It is very simple. All right, the thing that you need to know is that a capital letter, okay, a capital letter, so let's say a capital letter A, okay, represents an angle, okay, that you should know. And a small letter A, or any small letter, it can be C, A, or any other letter, small letter represents the side, okay, it represents what? The side. So here you are given this side. So here, this is capital letter A, then the small letter A, it is actually this side here. So here there is small letter what? Small letter A, that side. Are we together? There is capital letter C, meaning that down here there is small letter what? Small letter C down here. Okay? Even this side, this B is opposite to this side here. Okay? So this is where the small letter B is. Alright. So I said that a capital letter represents an angle, a small letter represents the side. So you need to know how to do that, how to identify an angle and how to identify a side. I'm sure you've gotten the point. Okay, so now what formula can you use when you are given three sides to find an angle? What formula can you use? So the formula that you need to use, it is the cosine rule formula. Okay, the cosine rule formula. So how can you derive it? You know, you need to make the angle as the subject of the formula, but I want to teach you the shortcut, okay, of how you can derive that formula. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. It is the cosine rule, right, that we are using. Okay, so since we are finding A, okay, so we are going to say we are finding what? Cos A. That is what we are going to say. You know, this is the cosine rule and we need to have a cos. So cos A is what we are finding, this angle. Okay, cos A. Alright, so now what is it going to be equals to? So you get the sides that surround this angle, okay, or the side that puts this angle between, okay, that puts this angle on the middle, okay. So the side that puts this angle on the middle, there is this side and this side, okay. So the side that puts this angle on the middle, I want you to get this point. The side that puts this angle on the middle, there is this side and this side, which is this and that side, okay. So if we were to get B, angle B, which if we say cos B, so the side that puts this B on the middle are C and what? And A. C and A. Look at this. So if we were to get C, the side that puts C on the middle, they are this B and A. Okay. So now we are actually talking about A. So what are the sides that are putting A on the middle? There is this side and this side. So there is B and what? And C. So you are going to add them and square them. So we are going to say we have B. It is the one that surrounds this angle. Okay. We have B. We are going to square it. Okay. Let me write it properly so that you understand. So we have B squared plus, we have what? We have C here. We have C squared like that. Then what you need to do is you are going to subtract the side that is opposite to the angle that you are finding. You are going to subtract the side that is opposite to the angle that you are finding. So this is the angle that we are finding. This is it. Okay, and the side that is opposite to this angle, it is this side. It is opposite to what? To this, which is small letter A. So we are going to subtract the side which is what? Which is A. Okay, squared. You need to square it. Okay, so that is what you are supposed to do. Very simple. Okay, this is how you are deriving the formula. All right, so you need to say over. Okay, you need to say over. Then you need to know that there is a 2 on the formula. Okay, there is a 2 on the formula because the formula for the cosine rule, it is what? It is A. The formula for the cosine rule, let me just remind you, it is what? It is A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 BC, then cos A. This is how it is. This is how it is. Okay, this is how it is. So this 2 has to be there as well. Okay, that's why I've put 2. So you need to know this formula. Okay, you need to know this formula. All right, so you need to put a 2. Then just get these letters. Just get these letters, but don't square them. Just put them B, C like that. Okay, so that's the formula. Then you are done. What you need to do is just to substitute everything there. Okay, so this is how you derive the formula. This is how you derive the formula. Okay, so let's try to derive for B. If you're finding B, I mean if you're finding B, cos B. Okay, let's say you're finding cos B. So let's say you're finding cos B. So this is the formula that you're supposed to use if you are told to find what? To find A. Okay, that is the formula that you're supposed to use. Now let's try to find B. Let's try to derive the formula for finding B. Okay, so for finding cos B, we are going to say cos B is equal to, so what are the angles that are putting B on the middle? So here, this is B, okay? So this is B. And the sides that are putting B on the middle, there is this and this. So there is A and what? A and C. So we are going to say A squared plus C squared minus the angle that is opposite to B. I mean the side that is opposite to angle B. So the side that is opposite to angle B, it is what? It is this small letter b. So you subtract that angle, which is going to be what? B squared. Then over, just put 2. Then you get these, but don't square them. So they are going to be, it's going to be what? A, B, like that. Then you are done with the formula. Okay? So this is how you are supposed to do it. So let's try cos C. Cos C is equals to the angles that are putting it on the middle. I mean the sides that are putting it on the middle. There is B and C, okay, or B and A. So you just square them. It's B. It is A squared plus B squared minus the angle that is opposite to it, which is C, small letter c. So that is going to be what? Small letter c squared over, you get this, that's a, or I mean 2ab, like that. Okay, take note that you can even put it here, just one and the same, ab, like that, as simple as that. So that is how you're supposed to do it. So now let's try to solve this question that we have. Okay, let me try to solve this question. Okay, so let's find cos A. Let's find cos A. Okay, so cos A is going to be, you just have to substitute this. Okay, so we are going to say cos A is equal to, what is our B? What is our B? So our B, the small letter b, it is this side, which is 3. Okay, which is 3. So we're going to say 3 squared plus, what is our C? Small letter c. So small letter c, it is 4. So we're going to put 4 squared minus, what is, this is A, which is here, A, which is small letter A. Small letter A, this is A, which is 2 squared. That's going to be 2 squared. Then over, okay, over. So over what? Over B, over 2, okay. There is over 2. Then B we know that B, it is 3. So multiplied by what? By 3. Multiplied by what? By 4. Like that. Okay. So meaning that it's going to be what? Cos A, it is equal to, so you can just punch this on a calculator. As simple as this. So you're going to have 3 squared, okay, 3 squared plus 4 squared minus 2 squared. Okay, so here on top you're going to have 21. Then over, what do we have down here? So down there we have 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. We have 24 here. Okay, we have 24. Then we are going to say cos A is equal to, what is 21 divided by 24? So 21 divided by 24, you're going to have 0.875. Okay, you're going to have 0.785. Then what you're looking for is A. Okay, what you're looking for is A, not cos A. So what you're going to do, you're going to say A is equals to, this cos comes inside and it is going to be cos inverse. Then you just get this number 0.875 like that. So what is A? So you punch on your calculator. You start with shift. Okay, you start with shift, then you go to cos. So that will be cos inverse. That then you punch this. This is 0.875 equals. So you're going to have A as what? 28.955024337. And remember, I taught you that you need to round off an angle to 1 decimal place. 1 decimal place is a decimal place is a number after a decimal point. So 1 decimal place, it is just, so this is the 1 decimal place. Okay, a decimal place, I said it is a number after a decimal point. So we just want 1 decimal place, which is this 0, which is this. So it is going to be A is equal to, here if it is the number that is after this number, if it is greater than 4, then you get 1, you add to this number. Okay, so this is going to be what? 10. Then 10, we just get 1 from it. Then it will be 0 here. So it will be meaning that it will be 29.0 like that degrees. So remember, that is an angle. It has to be in degrees like that. So that is how you do it. So you can even find cos B, cos C. So that is what I wanted to teach you in this video. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more. If you need tuitions, remember, this is a line 0975334778. If you are GCE or you are internal, you can contact me on that line or WhatsApp me on that line so that we can talk for tuitions or for any help. Thank you for watching. I've been your tutor, Patrick Divine.